Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, I forgot to do my eyebrows. So ugly. Better. So today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be putting some little makeup. I want to do the eyeshadow with kind of like a blue that's gonna fit my new nails that I just put today. These beautiful press-on nails. I don't know where it's gonna go, but I found back in my makeup collection the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, which I didn't go into in so long, and it's such an amazing eye primer that I really wanted to use it today. So we're gonna do a beautiful little liner, so cute, so crazy, nothing too crazy because I didn't do eyeshadow in a while. I don't know why, but I do have to get back into it. I kind of always go into these eyeshadows. I haven't gone into any other eyeshadows because they're just so good. So these are the MAC Powder Kiss eyeshadows, and to set my face, my face, oh my god, my eyelid, I'm gonna be picking this shade right here. It's called Best of Me, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the white because I don't want my eyes to be too dark. Because you know, when an eyeshadow is like wet, it becomes a little bit darker. Well, sometimes it does this, so we have to fix it up. And I'm just pressing this eyeshadow all over. It kind of like really matches well my skin tone. As you can see, Best of Me is a beautiful shade. The only thing I feel like with these eyeshadows is the shade range is not that great. I wish there was a little bit more shades for darker skin tones. And on top of that, it's like literally the second time I filmed this because I don't know, I mixed two eyeshadows and I was like, oh my god, this is so ugly. I just wanted to throw my brush at the other side of the room. Like, this is such a waste of product. Like, honestly, it's okay. I just wiped it off with like some wipes and we're starting over. We're literally starting over. Wow, what a beautiful, you know, thing. So I'm gonna take the white shade right now and just add kind of like some highlights right under the brow bone. This is not a Powder Kiss eyeshadow, by the way. The white one is one of the regular line, which I don't think it's like that opaque, but if you want to add a little bit of brightness, I feel like this is the perfect shade and perfect eyeshadow. It's not too intense and it just blends well overall. So we've got some tape here, which I think is gonna be pretty well. Where are my scissors? I'm like breaking everything apart. I'm losing my scissors. I don't know where everything ends. Next thing we know, the eyeshadow is gonna slip under it. Okay, got it. It'll work. So I was looking at all the beautiful colors that I have right here, and I was like, which one should I take? I know I done, you know, red, orange, yellow before. I wanted to go for orange, but like, I never touched that eyeshadow. This one. I never touched that bright one. So maybe I should go with that bright one. What do you guys think? This eyeshadow is just speaking to me right now. And it's really close to my nail color. So I'm going to be like, so we're ready. And I'm just going to pack this eyeshadow. And I'm going to make it kind of straight. And I'm looking straight because I want this eyeshadow look to be super cute. And I'm bringing it on my lashes. It looks so green on my face. Oh god. Okay, not too bad, but this thing is like flicking away. Hopefully I don't have any eyeshadow under. If not, I'll just, you know, do what I gotta do. Then to kind of blend out, I think I'm gonna take a yellow. It's gonna be so crazy because we have a yellow, and I swear these eyeshadows I haven't touched yet, so that's why they're so perfect. So on this side, I kind of like never touched. So I think the yellow, because they're green, the yellow, definitely the yellow. We're going very careful on top. I feel like I just want to put the yellow on the outer corner and not on the eyelid because anyways, we won't be seeing it. And then I'm taking the white shade and I'm just bringing it on top to kind of blend out the half masterpiece. Just this bright little liner. I finally decided to concentrate the yellow eyeshadow on the outer corner right here where my brow bone is to add some depth to the eyeshadow. Look, and like some dimension. Like a sunset, you guys. Oh my god. Just like that. Okay, I know it looks kind of weird, but once we add the liner and everything, it's going to look super great. Okay, so the black liner, I removed it because it was literally coming off. So I'm going to go with the black liner. My eyes are a little bit bare right now, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this Glamnetic eyeliner because I want to put some magnetic false lashes on my eyes, which are a little bit bare right now. So while this is drying, I think I'm going to put a This is a pencil that is around the same color as my skin tone in my waterline to really open up my eyes. I just put it right under my eyes and you see the difference. Like this is so much brighter than this one, and that's just the trick. You take a little pencil that is the same exact as your skin tone and you bring it under your lash line so it just looks super, super natural. I really wanted to finish my eyes first because the rest of my face kind of looks like it needs some help. So I'm gonna take this Dior Show mascara, which it's been sitting there. The packaging is kind of weird though. Oh, it's like just you pull it out. The wand is so weird. It's so big for the packaging. I think they made it to, you know, for the environment and to save some packaging, but I just feel like, you know, like not twisting. I don't know if it's actually like super, super airtight. So I would not get it. I don't know. There's like a continuity of my eyes from the eyeshadow. Cute. Putting on the false lashes. I kind of messed up the eyeshadow because I moved it. Oh no. These lashes are everything. FYI, this is the first time that I do a liner that is this thin with these lashes. So this is the Glamnetic, you know, magnetic eyelashes in Boss Babe. And look at that. I did a super, super thin liner and it's still holding. Super, super nice. I'm really, really excited because I don't have to do a crazy thick liner the next time. I was always scared of not putting enough on my eyes because it's like, I don't know, but this is just so great. It's like my eyes are continuing in another dimension, which it's cute, you know, but it's not like making my eyes pop as if I would put orange or reds or even more warmer tones or deeper tones, which I don't mind. I feel like it's different than what I usually do and it's super cute. It kind of fits. It's like vibing, you know, I just love it. Overall, I want to do the rest of my face, kind of, and I want to not go too much overboard because I don't want to remove the show from my eyes, and I'm gonna do some tricks that I did last week, which I was so shook, by the way, by the blush trick that I tried from TikTok. If you didn't see that video, it's gonna be up here and also linked down below, but I really loved it. Like I had a lot of blush there. I'm gonna put less than last time, but I'm just saying that this trick is just amazing and I feel like it just rejuvenates the face so much. First, I want to put some bronzer and I'm gonna go into the Patrick Toffer face. This is Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. She's statuesque, but I'm only gonna go into the bronzer because I already have the bronzed up face on the side. And I'm just kind of tapping everything. This is only to set and to enhance the bronzer that I already have because this one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer and it just looks so stunning. So stunning. I highly recommend the cream bronzer. Love cream products. Just love it. And I have to get back into it like I told you guys because I can't just get into it and start talking. I feel like I'm freezing and I can't blend my eyeshadow anymore. It's just weird. But I definitely want to get into more crazy eyeshadow looks and to do a little bit more of colors, a little bit more of crazy stuff. So tell me down below what you want to see next for the eyeshadows. I would love to do it very, very soon. I know I've been more into the natural queen, but we love some color. And I used the cream bronzer from Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette, which this palette I just absolutely love so much. I just wish that there was a bronzer type of thing on the side, and I want to go into that bright color. Since we have some bright colors on our eyes, I want to stay within that realm of bright colors because this top is not that bright, but it's still very summery. I'm bringing it all the way under my eyes. I just wonder, where do you put the highlight when you do this? I'm like, I don't really know. You see the difference? I look so much more youthful. It's crazy. You don't have to bring it all the way. Like last time I brought it all the way to my nose and I just went over my nose and it was just crazy. But this one, I think I'm just going to put it like this. I'm going to swirl it and slightly kind of put it here. Not too much. I feel like it's not showing anything because I have so much powder that nothing is showing anymore. So since this is not working, we're gonna go towards one of the products of the queen of highlighters, Miss Jaclyn Hill, which this one is so good. I am using it sparingly because, you know, as you know, I live in Canada. I put Canada on all my videos, so you should know by now, but there is no Morphe here. Crazy, right? So I can't go to Morphe and I cannot go and buy the highlighter if I want. Like I can't, or there's no Ulta either. So I can't just go and grab it. So that's why this one is just my favorite, and I wish I could just buy so many of her products, which her last collections that just came out with her mom just looks absolutely amazing. But I can't get my hands on it. I can't get my hands on everything. So I just wish one day I can just try a bunch of more products, but this is just so good. Right under. And the thing that I like with this highlighter in particular is even if your makeup is super, I would say, dry, the pigment still sticks to your face. So that's one of the things that sometimes you have a hard time with highlighter. If it's powdery, it doesn't stick to absolutely nothing. All right, you guys, so this is the face makeup. I feel like it's pretty cute. It's pretty nice. But I'm not feeling too much highlighter today, which I know it's kind of weird. Are you okay? Yes, I think I'm okay. It's just the blush doesn't want to stick to the area, and it's just bothering me. So I'm just going to leave it like this because I'm going to have a patch of red on my face without a patch of highlighter, and it's just going to be separating the two sides, and I don't want that to happen. So it's pretty cute, right? Just for now, I think I'm going to put a little lip gloss. I never put just gloss. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like my lips are not big enough for like any makeup look. I guess right now it's not too bad, but I'm thinking about going back to lip gloss very soon and just get into more of lip glosses because those are my lips. Why not? Why not? So what do you guys think about this beautiful makeup look? Oh, by the way, this lip gloss is from e.l.f. This is in the Retro Paradise collection, which it's pretty cute. There's like some pink, some gold in there, and I just felt like it was just fitting with the makeup look because I have some yellow on my eyes and I have some very bright pink blush on my cheeks. So it just fits overall. What do you guys think? Tell me down below if you like this makeup look. I avoided lip liner altogether, which hello, when does that ever happen to me? Almost never. So I feel like I'm gonna keep it like this because I have to accept how my lips are at the moment. They're just like this. And I feel like it's more natural. So we have some crazy colors on my eyes and it's more natural on the lips. So tell me down below what you think about this makeup look. I would love to know your opinions. Do you like a little crazy liner, but kind of simple at the same time, that's just gonna be there to bring forward my words? Oh my God. Okay. I spoke French all day and I don't know why, but my brain just doesn't want anything to do with English today. Viens accueillir le soleil. Say hello to the sun. It's like greeting. Oh my God, girl. Okay, my eye look is greeting the sun. Even though right now it's pretty dark outside, it's like the night. It is greeting the sun. I have to practice on my talking in English for sure, 100%. So anyways, I hope you liked it. And if you did, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.